In this video, we're going to show you how to install a water meter on a 3/4 inch PEX line. You'll start by taking your meter and threading on your meter connections. And make sure you put in the gaskets. Once this is complete, you can hold your meter up to your line and make your measurements. You'll then want to cut the PEX on both sides, making sure that you're not cutting your heat tape. You'll then take 2 crimp rings and put it on one on each side of the line. Then insert the meter into the pipe. You'll then take your 3/4 inch crimper and crimp the rings. Once you turn your water back on and make sure there are no leaks, you are good to insulate the meter. And make sure you tighten up those meter fittings.